What's up, guys? Welcome to East West Beats. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that. I'll be uploading some amazing content in next 2 weeks or so. But this video is for people who want to either download an instrumental and record to it, but make sure it's in sync with the tempo of the beat. Or let's say you got a mix session, like I got one here that doesn't have tempo information, and you want to figure out in Logic what the tempo is. So it's quite simple, so just follow me. I brought everything in. My project starts at 100, but what I'm going to do is go to the instrumental and load a BPM meter. And literally, all you have to do is play the song. Alright, so this is telling me that the song is at 104 beats per minute. So all I'm going to do is go here and type in 104 and hit enter. And now the song is, it should be playing with 104 beats per minute, and everything should be synced. Let's play the metronome to see if it actually is. Alright, looks like that worked. Alright, now sometimes what happens is, let's say you get an instrumental and it's like this and you get it like this. So even if you figure that it's at 104, so even if you figure out it's at 104, it's still going to be off tempo a little bit. And though your artists may think they're recording at the right speed, they actually are not. So what you're going to need to do is try to find the first downbeat of the song and go to the closest bar, and then make sure your snap is on smart, and then make sure your first downbeat is at the downbeat. So that in turn will ensure that whatever you're recording, mixing, your delays are happening on tempo right now. So again, that's all, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. I also have a podcast, so subscribe to that. And once again, amazing content coming. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell.